Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Dave here. I haven't painted in a while, so today I thought it would be a good time to get the paint set back out and do a new painting. So this is my first painting of 2021. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody is well and starting off the year in good shape and good health, and hopefully this year is better than the last. This is going to be a naturescape painting. I found this image on Instagram. That's where I find a lot of the images I like to paint. This one was I found on the channel called Among the Wild. So it's among underscore the underscore wild on Instagram. They have some really cool nature scenes. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, check them out on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm DC Donovan Writer on Instagram. So here I'm just laying down a general outline of the picture using my Delgard pencil, mechanical pencil. I'm using a new camera setup here, so I'm not sure how well this is going to work. I'm going to give this a shot today, and if it winds up being, because as I'm doing the voiceover, it looks kind of choppy. I don't know if it's going to come through that way after the video's done processing, but I hope not. But right now, it's looking kind of choppy to me. So if it is, I apologize, and I'll try to get that thing fixed up for the next video. So in this image, there's a little trail winding through some trees, and I'm going to just put a layer down on the forefront of the image. Just putting a dark undercoat. I'm using the Artist Loft watercolor brushes and Kuretake watercolors. And there, I thought it was black, but it wound up being blue, so I had to go back and find the black. Now I'm just putting down the layer for the trail. The trail kind of winds serpentine around, and like it's bigger in the front. And, as it proceeds backwards, it goes to a little thinner. I'm trying to get perspective on it. That's something I have a hard time with, is getting perspective in the pictures or in my paintings as far as distance and stuff like that. So that's something I know I have to work on, and just keep at it. Hopefully get better. Now this image, it's kind of a hazy day, so I'm just putting in a layer of like white and gray and a little bit of blue to do the sky in the background. Adding a little bit of gray and white to the trail just to try to get up, because it's a muddy trail in the picture, and there are some light highlights in it. So I'm trying to get some reflection in that muddy trail. Now I'm going to go in with some muted green. I try to lighten it up as much as possible to try to give that look of like trees in the distance. It is, like I said, it's a hazy day, and so those trees far back in the background, I'm trying to make them look almost like ghosts. one mistake I know I made was I didn't bring the haziness, the white and everything all the way down to the grass, and it left some white spots in her that I wasn't really happy with. I tried to fill it in as much as possible, but if I had to do it again, I would definitely cover that whole top section with the blue and white and gray to just make it more full. So here I'm doing a couple trees that are closer to the forefront, so they're going to be a little bit darker, a little bit more vivid. I'm trying to really focus on being more creative in 2021. That's one of my New Year's resolutions, as it were. I want to try to get more painting done, and just be more active on the channel. My wife Kelly, she's, you guys know her. She's active all the time on here, and she really does a great job. And so I want to try to help her out a little bit by doing some more videos of my own, just to, that way she can get a break if she wants, here and there. But I'm sure she'll continue to keep up with her normal schedule. But I just want to help out. Plus, feed my own creativity. I haven't been. Last year I started painting, and I really enjoyed it. But then I fell out of it again as work picked up, and and then the whole coronavirus thing hit, and I just fell out of it. So now I want to really get back into it. This painting, honestly, it didn't turn out as good as I had hoped, but it's like riding a bicycle. You just got to get back on and just keep going, and I'll get better as the more I do it. Now here I'm just trying to get some details in the grass with a little light here and there. The source image has a lot of small details in the grass, but with the watercolors, for me at least, where I'm at right now, it's hard for me to get those really sharp details. So I'm more just going for a sort of an impressionistic look at it, take on it. Bringing in some darker colors to the closer trees. This is there's a really big tree here that the trail kind of winds around, and the trail disappears as it goes behind this tree. And there's just a boatload of trees in this picture, and I'm just trying to get them well reflected in the image. I didn't get as many trees painted as there are in the image. It would have just taken forever, and I'm kind of impatient that way, so I'm just trying to do my best to fill it in. I'm trying to round out that turn up there. I made it too wide, so I'm just trying to add some more grass and shrub colors to try to shrink it down a little bit. And I made it too bright, so I'm going to try to darken it up here. And here there's a log that's resting across the trail. And here's where somebody or something, stepped across the trail. Pretty big footprint. I think we all know who that belongs to. Of course, that's not in the source image, but that's my own little addition. I'm just trying to get some little details into that mud trackway. And I think that's about it. Like I said, I wasn't real thrilled with the result. I was hoping it would turn out better, but this is my first time back, so I have to be pleased with the result at the end of the day. Yeah. I hope you like it. I hope you liked watching this video. I'm going to be having more up soon. I'm going to keep pushing and learning, and yeah, there's going to be more. Oh, here's the source image. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And you can see that it's a hazy, the trees in the distance, and that's my interpretation of it. It's okay, I guess. And we'll see, let's see here. The footprint culprit. Does it get his approval? Yeah, he likes it. Okay, that's great. Well, that's it. So, like I said, if you like it, I appreciate you watching it. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever they do here on YouTube. And until next time, stay safe. And let's start this year off strong. Yeah, have a good day. Bye-bye.